everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Drew here from Lone Fox, and I hope you're all having an amazing day so far. I'm actually going to keep things very chill today. I'm doing a little bit more of a vlog, just more simplistic, casual video as opposed to one of my more very in-depth DIY projects slash room makeovers that are filmed on multiple cameras and edited for hours. This one's going to be a little bit more on the simple side, and definitely let me know your guys' thoughts on this. I was actually going to not even film this as a video, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just going to vlog it, keep it super casual and simple, and I'm going to be doing a bathroom update slash mini makeover slash reorganization. So it's just gonna be me taking my bathroom from what it is in its current state, which is really not the best, and just making it nice and clean and organized with a lot more storage and look a lot more pretty as well. I feel like I said that sentence very poorly, but you guys get the gist. And I'm also super excited because today's video is in partnership with CareOf, which is a brand that I've actually been spending my own money on for probably the past 2 years. I remember 2 years ago, I clearly remember this, I was in bed, there was a YouTuber by the name of Claudia Saluski. She posted CareOf in her video, and I was like, I have to get this. So I ordered it, I subscribed, and I've been getting it month after month after month, and I absolutely love their service. So when they emailed out to actually work with me on a video, I literally was like, you guys don't even need to send product because I already have it. But if you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post brand new DIY and home decor content every single week, and once you click that little subscribe button, you can also click the bell icon right next to it and turn on my notifications for the channel just so you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. And don't forget, you can also follow me for more behind the scenes type of stuff on Lone Fox Home on Instagram. And last little self promo, if you guys have not already, make sure to check out lonefox.com. It is launching soon. I think it's gonna be launching in about under a month, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a lot more teasers as to what it's going to be over the course of the month. So definitely head over to lonefox.com, enter your email address to be one of the first people to get access to the website, which I am so excited for. It's literally been in the works for 6 months. So definitely enter your email address and you are good to go. So I think we should just get into today's video. I'm going to head over to Target right now because there is actually some things I want to get for my bathroom. So my main thing that I want to get for my bathroom is one of these, I don't know what these are called, toilet covers, but I don't know if I want the metal one or this wood one. The wood one is $109, and I wish I had some more of that rattan in my last video because I can literally punch out this glass window and put the rattan here, which I think would make it look so much better. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, and I don't know if I want this color, which is oil rubbed bronze. We love oil rubbed, or satin nickel. Okay, so I opted for the bronze because my bathroom wall is gray, so I thought the silver would just blend in too much, and I love this little crosshatch detail here, or X detail on the edges, and I think I want it to show a bit more. So I got the bronze one, little organizers, and another one of these. I have the larger one, so I got the smaller one just to store other stuff in because I really like these, and this is only $3.99. I'm also gonna get this trash can because my current trash can is literally from 6 years ago. I've had it forever. It's dented and disgusting, and it just doesn't match the vibe. So I'm gonna grab this really pretty woven one. Oh my gosh, these jars are so cute too. Wow. Hey. So I ended up finding this little pitcher here on a clearance for $9.98, and then I'm just gonna grab this little stem as well and cut it down to put in here to add to the shelf. And then I also decided I'm gonna go with some navy accents. So I got this new bath mat because I've just been using this IKEA rug I used in a DIY a while back, and it's kind of getting gross. It definitely doesn't perform well with water. So I got this navy bath mat and a couple of towels with stripes, so I think that is everything I need. All right, so I am back home now from Target, just got home, but I wanna share with you guys my current bathroom state. I am just not even gonna sugarcoat any of this at all. I just wanna show you guys what my bathroom looks like and why I just wanted to go in and reorganize and just make it look a little bit nicer. In the middle of my room, kind of, and it's also over here. So in here is the bathtub and the toilet, and as you can see, there's literally absolutely zero storage. So for me to hang towels, I typically have to use those hooks right there, which you can kind of see through the door crack. It's also fully covered by the door, which is kind of annoying because if anything's on the floor, then I can't open the door to get to the hooks. So that's just kind of a little bit frustrating. So I typically keep the towel there. Because the other day I went to Bath & Body Works and I bought these really nice products, and I have nowhere to put them. They've been sitting here for a week now. This room here, as you can see, I just have an overflow of products that I use and not a ton of storage. So I'm going to maximize my storage space and really try to give myself a nice clean bathroom area that also looks nice but functions really well. All right, so here kind of comes the under the sink area that I never want to show anybody because it is like, okay, it's not the worst for sure, but it is not organized whatsoever. Literally everything is just thrown into this basket and everything is thrown into this basket. There's no rhyme or reason. I have a medicine like container right here that I need to make sure like stuff isn't expired or whatever. Skincare items and like hair care and random stuff like that. And then this one also has that. This one actually has a lot more like tanning products in here, like Saint Tropez tanners and stuff. So those I'm going to definitely keep, but kind of reorganize and see what I want to take away and what I want to donate. Okay, so my solution to the under the cabinet area are these wooden crates. Now I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of why I'm obsessed with these. These are $12.99 at Joann's Fabrics. Yesterday they had a 40% off your entire order coupon, so I ended up purchasing a lovely 12 of these crates because I'm gonna be doing a video with 10 of them where I make full-on furniture pieces, and I think you guys are gonna love that, which is coming soon to the channel. So make sure to subscribe. These crates are amazing because they first of all are very large. They store so much. They're also super chic and pretty. Like, look how pretty this is. It's made of like a pine wood, I think. These at Joann's Fabrics are amazing, and I'm going to actually organize everything under here into these crates. Guys, I literally just fit everything from the 2 bins into one. And I have a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be getting rid of as well and donating the products that I haven't used because there's a couple that I have like dipped into and tried. So the other bin is actually holding all of my medicines and it actually has a ton more space in there for other stuff, but I also want to plop in all of my toilet paper rolls down here. So I just mentioned to you guys that I actually store a lot of my medicines and vitamins inside of that second wooden crate that I just organized, but the reason that I actually don't grab for those or reach for those much often is because I have been using Care Of for probably about a year and a half now, and I can say that I absolutely love this brand and what they offer. I even found an empty package of Care Of that was literally shoved in the back of my like under the cabinet area. Empty. Like, I already took all of these, and this is, I don't even know if I could, there's not a date on this or anything, but this is probably from like 6 months ago or something when I finished this supplement pack. It's basically, if you have never heard of Care Of before, you can go over to their website and take a quick quiz. Now the quiz is actually really fun. It's designed super cute. It asks you a lot of personal questions, but not anything like crazy. It basically asks you like, what is your fitness goals, any heart issues, do you have any stress issues, just lots of different questions asking you different things about your life. Once you completed the quiz, it basically will send you one box of this every single month that contains a full month's supply of supplements. So inside of here you can see there's multiple packages. And the thing I love about this is look how freaking cute the packaging is. You can store this in your bathroom or wherever you want to put these in your kitchen, and you can actually have them on display because it looks like a piece of decor. Look how freaking cute these are! And they have all of your supplements inside of them. You take this every day. It's a no-brainer. And if you're interested in learning more about Care Of or to take the quiz or to actually purchase some supplements, you can actually check the link in the description box below, and you can use my code on the screen right here and it will get you 25% off of your order, which is amazing. But look how pretty. These are now going to be displayed on my actual countertop up here, so much more easy access every single morning. But let's get to decorating the countertops. I also want to give you guys an update on the marble contact paper counter that I did because it honestly is not holding up as great as the first one that I did. So this is the second marble countertop I've done. In my first apartment, I used a different contact paper, and that one actually held up extremely well. It never even peeled up even the slightest. But the contact paper I used for this countertop actually is kind of peeling up on the edges. So I think I'm going to, in a later time, remove this contact paper and switch back to the one that I originally used because it actually worked quite a bit better. This one is kind of peeling up a bit, but I just want to let you guys know because if you can see any of the peeling up on the edges, that is why. Oh, I need someone to love me when love me when love me Now, I featured this shelf in my last bathroom video, or the only bathroom video that I've done on this channel, but I wanted to share it with you guys again. So this is not really something I'm gonna incorporate in this video or install because it's already been installed, but these are super amazing for skincare or bathroom storage when you don't want a large shelf on the wall. This is essentially a picture-led shelf. So you can get these at Target. That's where I got mine, probably $15. And the picture-led shelves work really great because they're super shallow, but they have a lip on the edge. So you can put all of your skincare or whatever you want to put on here. I'm going to take a moment to kind of reorganize this and show you what it looks like in just a second. I added all of my current favorite products up here, and I just love the way it looks. And you can really put a ton, like you can even do like a double layer of skincare, as you can see here. This is one of my favorite serums right now, the Summer Fridays. I love everything that they do. And then the Way products are my hair care products. Some other skincare products I've been loving. This serum is amazing. And also my favorite texture spray in the entire world. So these are my go-to grab products. And I love how they're just so easily accessible. You know, like right here, I can just like grab them and use them and put them away. Next up, we're gonna tackle the drawers, which honestly, I'm scared to show you guys because I have never organized either of my drawers. I've done like slight organization in both, but really I just kind of throw everything in there. And I'm gonna organize these a little bit more because I want them to look a little nicer than they do at the moment. And to do that, I picked up these really great acrylic organizing boxes at Target. I got this size one, I got this size, I guess I got two of these actually, a little miniature square, and then these two actually came in a pack. Oh, I think that there's different sizes in there. These are like stackable or something, I think. So I will see how these all work. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with the outcome of the bathroom. This is literally the smallest space ever. So if you guys can tell, like literally the only floor space in this entire bathroom is a rug, like a front of the bathroom, like a bath mat. It's not big at all. So I really love what I was able to achieve here. I think this really made the space just look a lot nicer. Like I think this just really brought it together. I love the color I chose too. It's not even like brass. I swear it's more black. It looks very farmhouse, which I love. And I just styled it with a couple of decor elements. And yeah, I'm just very, very pleased with the bathroom here. I think it turned out super pretty and I love the pops of navy. So that was kind of my little miniature bathroom vlog, update, reorganization, clean with me, just make things pretty, you know? I know Hermione Chantel does these on her channel and I really love them. She calls them DIYeries, which I think is so cute. And I kind of wanted to go off that kind of style and just do something a little bit more, not as in-depth and crazy as a typical video, because those videos take me quite a while to plan. I just wanted to do something a little bit more simple and fun today, and I wasn't even gonna film this originally, and I was like, you know what, let's film it very casually and just have fun with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also I want to thank CareOf for sponsoring today's video, a brand that I actually really do use and trust and absolutely love. You can check them out with the link in the description box below, and you can also get a lovely little discount with the code on the screen. But I think that's really all. Thank you guys so much. My room is so fall after my fall makeover. If you guys have not seen it, click up here. I absolutely love the way it turned out, and I think that my room is so fun and festive. Look at it. I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.